My summer research project is a scooter study where we will ask the individual to have a week of just regular movement while we monitor them. The second week, they will be given a scooter to limit their physical activity. Then the third week, they will be back into their regular activity. We are doing this to assess cardiovascular health, to look at the metabolic patterns, and many other things like that. I'm very interested in it because I have always had an interest in cardiovascular health, and it is a way that I can work with my favorite professors and my friends, as well as getting research experience, because I would like to be a researcher in the future. Miami's helped me grow as a leader because it has given me so many responsibilities that I haven't had before. I've been able to help lead a research team. I've been able to use research devices on my own with professor help here and there, but I've been trusted with a lot. I wanted to go into occupational therapy. I was on the right track. I had all of these different classes that I wanted to take. Then I started research, and that's where I really found my niche. That's where I found where I'm happy. So I shifted and talked with professors, talked with counselors, and now I am on my way to work at a research station in Cincinnati. Because of Miami, I can. Because of Miami, I was able to do what I am doing right now, explore different pathways, and be able to ultimately find that I want to go into research.